Hey, it's Bernard Nomberg with the Nomberg Law Firm, and I wanted to take just a minute or so to talk about a former client of mine. I won't mention his name, but I'm very, very proud of what he did, so now I wanted to tell the story. Young fella in his 20s, newly married, just a couple of years, new job, just out of high school, had a couple of years of, a couple of classes of college, but found a good job, a blue-collar job that got him outside working every day. Well, he injured his shoulder and told his supervisor about it, but then that's as far as it went for the first month. Supervisor never reported it. We later found out that the supervisor and management level had an safety incentive bonuses that were paid at the end of each year. Long story short, and this is why I'm proud of this young fellow, this client of ours, a former client, he stood up for himself. He knew that he had been hurt on the job. His supervisor and others had turned on him, and they had a financial incentive to do so. But he knew that what he was doing was the right thing to do. He pursued his claim. We ultimately got everything under the law that he was entitled to do, to receive, including full medical benefits, just and proper compensation, and thankfully he's still working there. The supervisor has been transferred to another department at another location. But what I am most proud about is that this young fellow was very hesitant at first about pursuing his legal rights. He did so, and ultimately by standing up for himself and protecting his rights and his family and doing what was right, he was able to come out on top. He was able to see this to the end, and thankfully the results is what he should have received. So I just wanted to share that. Not many people do that. Many people will just turn the other way and find another way to deal with it. They won't stand up for their rights. They won't pursue what they should. He didn't ask to be hurt. It was an accident, but it led to real injuries that led to surgery. But by standing up for his legal rights, he was able to pursue those claims properly and civilly, and we were able to resolve them. But I just wanted to share that with you.